So today we have among us Dr. Murugan Guruswamy sir. Sir, some questions I would like to ask you, like how to create entrepreneurship skills among students in our university.
First thing is we can offer a course either as an elective or compulsory course depending upon the program which they are doing. Secondly, we should conduct workshops on entrepreneurship. Thirdly, we have to present cases of successful entrepreneurs.
Okay.
And fourthly, we can have the visits to startups and companies.
Okay. And there have been some cases regarding students, the problem they face that they don't get funding, and the time and they're not able to contribute much time to their studies if they get involved in these startups. So what is your say in this?
That problem is faced by practically all the students because they have to make a trade-off between their regular curricular studies and the option to start up. Most of the students manage both, and here the question of priority. Those who are passionate about entrepreneurship definitely will give more time to startups, and of course, this is inevitable. One has to face this trade-off.
So what according to your opinion, experience, and the correct age of doing a startup is? What is the correct age of one should involve in this startup?
There is no question of age. Going by different startups, people, at times they, did the startup in 30s, especially in United States, or as young as Mark Zuckerberg in the US, or Oyo Agarwal. What is his name? I forgot his name. Oyo Agarwal is a very young gentleman. He could come out with the successful startups. And the Flipkart promoters, they were, towards the end of their 20s, if I am not wrong, somewhere between 25 and 28. So age is not the criteria. Of course, I don't have any example of startups by any elderly people, but if you research out, we might find there were such startups. So recently I read an example in Reddit about one gentleman who passed out from NIT Calicut and took up a job in Ireland. Then he moved to Dubai and returned to India because he wanted to be close to their parents. And he came out with a startup of selling dosa and idli paste. I guess he started either in 2005 or 2007. His business was manufacturing paste for dosa and idli.
Okay.
And today it's a 100 crore company. Of course, he did it. Again, another example. He did it as a student at IIM Bangalore. In fact, after returning from Dubai, he thought of pursuing a management course. So he applied for IIM Bangalore and he got into IIM Bangalore. While he was in the first year, along with his cousins, he came out with a startup. So initially, they distributed to different grocery outlets to sell this paste in pack. So now, you see, assuming that they started in 2005 and now it's 2015, in 10 years time, the company has grown into a 100 crore company and having around 4 plants to produce this paste. So the company name is ID Fresh. So I think ID stands for Idli Dosa.
So there have been there have been some questions regarding whether to choose job and whether to go for a startup. And if you see in newspapers, every day there are coming lots of opportunities for the students, and in this era, certain phase of doing startup has come out. Earlier it was not seen that people are doing more and more of startups. What do you think? Is Make in India a reason for it? That the phase, a certain phase of...
everyone will face the alternatives of the job and business. Job is good for the sake of gaining experience, understanding organizations, how organizations work, and how organizations carry out their activities. That way, it helps giving knowledge. Besides, you earn income from job.
Sir.
And with respect to business or startups, of course, it is assumed you should have some idea about organizations and businesses. If you don't have anything, it will be very difficult to say that. Second thing is, of course, it all depends upon the attractiveness of the business.
Sir.
So here I can quote the example of Housing.com. Housing.com is the initiative of IIT Bombay student. I think he also must have dropped out if I am not wrong. So that case, being an engineering student, besides knowing the technology of e-commerce, he also had some business sense to start. So therefore, it is highly contextual. You have to see which is attractive. Job is attractive or business is attractive.
Sir, what questions come in mind whether I should, it's regarding me, that whether should I go for a job at an initial stages for around 2-3 years and then do a startups, because it gives me a kind of experience.
Yes. It is ideal you should go for a job for 2-3 years.
You are less oriented to the risk.
So here again I would like to quote Sachin Bansal of Flipkart. According to the information available, he wanted to join Google, but he was rejected twice. So then he joined some other corporate, another MNC. He stayed there for a year or so. Then he moved to Amazon. In Amazon he meets his future partner. So having experience of I think 1 or 2 years at Amazon, they both came out and started Flipkart. So therefore there are a lot of examples that people first take up a job to gain experience, then to start. It is ideal to have job experience for some time before getting into it.
Thank you, sir. That's it. It was my honor to have you among us.
Thank you very much. It is my honor.
I am Dr. Deepak Nirmal, heading the Department of Computer Applications, which are running MC and BCA courses, as well as BTech in IT. And there are around 350 students in the department.
Sir, one question that I would like to ask you, that how to create entrepreneurship skills among the students of JCRC University?
Yeah, it is buzzword. Everybody is talking about entrepreneurship, and of course, it is high returns are there. Of course, risk is also there. But as far as creating the environment, entrepreneurship skills is concerned, so we have already mentoring concept in the university. So once 15 students are assigned to one mentor. So they are their mentor, guide, teacher guardian, we call it teacher guardian, and their purpose is to counsel them and to give them some idea of the latest trends in the industry. And some experts from MBA department also are there, so they keep on telling the students about the various entrepreneurship activities in the department.
Sir, what according to you we should do? I mean, faculty and the directors should do to create an entrepreneurship environment in the JCRC University.
There are a couple of organizations like IITs, NITs, and some government organizations also which provide training on EDC. So that initially, because as a beginner students do not know much about ABC of even entrepreneurships, so we encourage our students should participate in those workshops and they should learn the basics, and then they can always come back to us with their ideas. So we are always ready to support them in the campus. We are ready to provide any kind of financial support or extra support needed.
So, there have been cases between a student and there occurs a clash between a student and a parent sometimes. A parent tells student to study, focus more in the grades, and a student want to do a startup.
See, this is trend is this कि everybody is having some ideas. So entrepreneurship gives the boost to that idea, how they can implement their ideas, and in the long term, of course, it is very much rewarding and satisfying to the startups. So in our department, if I talk about, 2 students have started their own company, and they are very good at studies, and at the same time recently they have in the final year of their semesters, so they have started their company and they are ready to provide training to our students also. So this is the level of confidence, this is the level of their technical competency, if they have bagged good projects from abroad and they are ready to deploy people on training. And even in BTech also, a couple of students have taken initiative to start their own. Yes, of course, this is a challenging situation. Parents are always worried about their placements and all that. But as far as IT, computers, this IT sector is concerned, most of the success stories belong to EDC people also. I mean, entrepreneurship, innovators, and they can do wonders. There is no harm in starting.
Rightly said, but sir, the more risk is oriented, business is more risk oriented at the initial stage. So the only concern is that the parents the students of the children are not much more experienced to do a startup.
We are always there to support. We are always there.
Sir, what do you think that one should go for a job or a startup?
If startup is
how to choose that whether I am fit for a job or whether doing a startup?
Every individual has to do his own SWOT analysis. And based on SWOT analysis, if he has that kind of competency and confidence, not just confidence by saying I am confident, but he has some,
whether you have it in you,
fundamental, substantial technical skills. Yes, I can alone start. Or a couple of people, 3-4 people can join and they can start. One is good in public relations, one is good in financials, one is good in marketing, one is good in technical skills. So these 4 people can combine together, mix together, and they can start the company or small, a private limited company or a small proprietorship firm. They can start from that also.
Rightly said, sir. So one last question. When I read newspapers, earlier there was nothing news regarding startups. A lot of people have suddenly a new phase has come around. Today we see that a lot of people are doing startup, and what is the reason behind it? Do you think the concept of Make in India of Narendra Modi is the reason?
Yeah, this is obviously at the national level. This is a great campaign carried out by PM Narendra Modi. At the same time, government has launched a lot of plans also to support the startups, like policies. Prime Minister.
Yeah, in our Rajasthan only the Chief Minister has launched some policies.
So there is no worry about the financial aspects. Only thing is getting the good vision, good projects or good customers, and then satisfying them. And it is not a short-term game; it is long-term. So, but beginning is, and anybody can start. It is not big investment is required. So anybody can take that risk. And risk is covered by the mentors. Risks are covered also. Backing is there. Ki we have good experts in the university. They can guide time to time. Under the guidance of somebody, if we are working, then obviously we are safe.
Hope that we get new Ambani and we could get new Tata Birlas from HRC University.
All the best.
Thank you.
Very good evening. Myself, Dr. Pranav Saxena, as an associate professor in this university, and I have been associated with this university for the last 4 years. And I am also attached with the E-cell of this university, and the students are really working well. And there are 4 points which I would like to mention or cover, especially how to develop the skills of entrepreneurship amongst the student. And second thing is the creating, how to create an environment for the entrepreneurship. And the third one is the startup. Whether the startup is essential or doing the job in MNC is essential, this is a very crucial and important point. And the last one, how to change the mindset of the people. So these are the 4 points which I would like to emphasize. One thing, the entrepreneurship skill actually is based on one-to-one discussion and appreciating the ideas of others, because sometimes it happens when someone says something, we laugh, we mock at them, we are leave it, it will not fructify. But actually, if we float the same idea and among the right people on the right platform, I am sure that that idea will work. Someone of them will catch up this idea and they appreciate your work. So for that, one very important part is required, that there should be a discussion, healthy discussion. There should be a appreciation a lot for doing on working on the ideas. And the second and the third thing is that how to motivate the student in the field of startup. Since in our society, our parents, our culture do not allow to work, they always said that go for a job, go for MNC, go for this job, go for this job. So this we have to change.
So why does this happen?
Actually, in our culture, usually the parent have a dream that my son or my daughter should become a engineer or a doctor or some lawyer. There is a specific profession in our society. But I must say that our government, the Indian government, has encouraged the student, especially the youth people, to enroll themselves with Make in India concept. For that, this E-cell is very, very essential. And to strengthen this E-cell or entrepreneurship skill, Government of India has also launched a Mudra scheme, which is a small scale industry or a small scale setup you can launch. So I think it's to change the mindset of the either parents or society people or even our culture. We have to discuss one-to-one specifically with their ideas and try to convince them that this will work. You have to keep patience. हम जॉब भी करते हैं तो उसमें भी हम 3 से 4 साल हिट करते हैं तब हम जाके जॉब पाते हैं. So why should not we wait for 3 to 4 years so that let's see whether it works or not. But I'm sure if you have a guts, if you have a skill, if you have a knowledge, if you have the right platform, then idea will definitely work.
So one question I would like to ask you, that I have some personal experiences. People doing initially a job for around 2-3 years at the initial stage, and then they prefer to do a startup because this provides them a sense of responsibility and a sense of experience.
In that sense, you are absolutely right. The people, when they got the job, like in any MNCs, so they come to know the culture. They come to know the culture of work. They come to know how to work in a job, how the things can be executed. So actually, they learn the procedure of executing their professions. So then they come to know that if I have so much skill, then why should I not do this alone?
Yes.
So that's why the people are transforming again themselves. They are switching or they are boycotting their jobs and they are doing something that they are around in agriculture sectors. The people are doing a lot, and the management side, the people who are working in a management, but they are kicked off their job, but they are working in some, some restaurant type, so they are doing well. They are doing really well. मैं आपको एक किस्सा बताता हूँ. सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल सा किस्सा है. स्टेशन पे हम लोग जनरली देखते हैं एक अखबार बेचने वाला, उसने कोई स्किल प्राप्त नहीं करी, कुछ नहीं करी, कुछ उसकी हम ठीक है वो नीड हो सकती है कि वो अखबार बेच रहा है, बट देयर आर पैरेलल नंबर ऑफ द हॉकर्स आर देयर, बट दैट स्पेशल जो एक अखबार बेचने वाला है वो अपनी स्किल से पूरे अखबार बेच देता है और नई मैगजीन भी बेच देता है. दैट स्किल दैट पर्सन हैज दैट अदर्स डू नॉट हैव.
So basically you have to find that whether do you have it in you.
Yeah, that you can ascertain amongst our
With a discussion.
Yeah, with a discussion. Okay, like you are talking to me, other one is also discussing with me, and other one. So if there are 4 to 5 people, among the 4 to 5 people, definitely you will come out with the conclusion. Okay, your this statement is absolutely worthy. This idea is of course workable.
All the doubts will be.
Then you can plot it on the with the competitive agencies like you are saying in IIT Bombay or at different platform where the ESL are working. You can exchange your idea. हो सकता है कि आपके और उनके बीच में कोलैबोरेशन से तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ निकल के आ जाए और निकलती हैं. कहते हैं एकला चलो से तो ठीक है, लेकिन एक के साथ हम जब कोलैबोरेट करते हैं ना हमारी चीज़ें चेन अप होती हैं. तो चेन अप होने से हमारी चीज़ें बढ़िया निकल सकती हैं. एंड रही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो शुरू में अपन बात कर रहे थे माइंडसेट बदलने के लिए वी हैव टू बी वाइडर इनफ मीन्स वी शुड नॉट लुक लाइक कि हमें सिर्फ यही फोकस करना है. आज के दौर में आपको हर क्षेत्र का ज्ञान होना चाहिए, चाहे वो लिटरेचर हो, चाहे वो टेक्निकल हो, चाहे वो सोशल हो, चाहे वो एथिकल हो, कुछ भी हो, बिकॉज all of these things are very very essential in any part of life, whether you are social element or you are a professional element or you are a commercial element. इन सब चीज़ों में बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो जब तक हम वाइडर एंगल नहीं रखेंगे अपनी सोच का, तब तक हम ज़्यादा अच्छा अप्रोच नहीं करते. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल के लिए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप खड़ी करने के लिए आपकी सोच बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी होनी चाहिए.
Thank you, sir. Last question that I will be asking you. That sir, a new certain phase of doing a startup has occurred. In newspapers, you see lot of stories doing startups and thousands of startups. People are establishing thousands of startups. They open thousands of startups, but they are not able to establish. Only 1 or 2 gets established.
Because the main reason which I feel that they do not have certain experience which is essential for standing up anything.
How
मैं एक बहुत सिंपल सा एक लॉजिकल आंसर देता हूँ कि वी एप्रिशिएट. आप लोगों ने बरगद का पेड़ कभी देखा हो? आई डोंट नो. देखा हो, देखने में बड़ा सुंदर भी और खूबसूरत भी और बहुत बड़ा भी होता है. उसकी जो छांव होती है बहुत घनी होती है, बट वो बरगद का पेड़ बनना में काफ़ी समय लगता है जितना उसको चाहिए. बट चूंकि हमारी आजकल की जो सोच है, जो हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस है वो इतनी फास्ट हो गई है, वी वांट इट वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म. बहुत जल्दी से ये कुछ होता है, बट ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. हमें किसी भी चीज़ के लिए प्रयास करना है तो वो
have to wait for
consistency. There 3 P always I believe should be there. One is persistency, second one is perseverance, and third one is very important, that is patience. पेशेंस है तो आपकी परसिवियरेंस रहेगी, परसिवियरेंस है तो आपकी परसिस्टेंसी रहेगी. These 3 P always work. If you have this 3 P, then I am sure that anyone, if you have a good idea, then you will definitely win market. So मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बिना एक्सपीरियंस के या बिना नॉलेज के आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. तो एक्सपीरियंस होने के लिए धैर्य का होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Thank you so much, sir. A new fact, new details were revealed. And I hope we get new Ambanis and new Mark Zuckerberg from our university itself.
मैं खुद भी ये इच्छा रखता हूँ और मैं पूरा विश्वास है कि जो यंग इंडिया है, जिसको मैं जनरली यंगिस्तान जो किसी ऐड में आता है तो मुझे वो यंगिस्तान शब्द बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. वो यंगिस्तान का मतलब ये कि young India will create a new young India. So I am really hopeful for that, and I really wish all the students who have enrolled themselves in the ESL of this university. And the most important thing which I have experienced about this ESL of this university is that the guys are doing well.
Thank you, sir.
The guys are doing well, and I hope that in the coming years they will motivate a number of students to start their own startup.
Thank you, sir. It was our.
I am Dr. Parul Agarwal, working as Dean and Director, JECRC University, Jaipur. My viewpoint is that today the time has come to nurture and groom our students to be the future entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Today the mindset of the students and the mindset of the parents has to get changed. Earlier the concept was that we always used to groom and prepare our children always for the job market. And all the parents, they were looking after a good job after BTech or a graduation or MTech, all these professional courses. But now the time is of creativity and innovation. Like Mark Zuckerberg and Ola Group and all these very, very young lot, they have come up with their very, very creative and innovative ideas, and they have marked, they have made their mark in the history of this world. So I feel that with a lot of creativity, and which we are always witnessing in our youth today, so that should be nurtured, that should be encouraged, and we should give that respect to the new ideas of our young lot, and always encourage them to take up some business. Though the risk is there, but parents should always be prepared that when they will take risk, only then they will come out with something very, very positive, constructive and nice. So I feel that we should encourage our children taking up some small businesses or coming out as entrepreneurs. Give them that encouragement, support, strength and lot of encouragement in their initiatives, whatever initial initiatives they are taking.
And when you said that we should encourage our students, the question arises that how to encourage these students, how to create an entrepreneurship environment in the university itself, and how to develop the entrepreneurship skills among the students.
For that, I would say that in the course curriculum itself, we should have one subject on entrepreneurship. Besides that, we should expose our students to the initial and the new startups. We should conduct workshops, seminars, panel discussions, and expose our students to the successful entrepreneurs of.
A question is always there in the mind of the parents, as per the parents' perspective. They always say that one should involve in this, they should do their studies rather indulging themselves in the business and startup ideas, because they think that they are young, quite young to indulge all these activities and leaving aside their studies. Because you have to compensate somewhere else. If you are devoting some time to the startup, then you have to leave behind the studies. What is your...
I am not saying that they should leave behind the study. One subject on entrepreneur doesn't mean that they have to ignore their other subjects. It is only the mindset which is to be developed when they are studying their graduation and whenever they are studying their post curriculum.
Whether a person should go for a job or a startup, because parents say that it is less risk oriented, and the business and startups are more risk oriented.
Then you are right. In case the child is going for entrepreneurship, so initially risk is involved. But in case the idea is good and he is having a lot of creativity and passion, certainly he is going to be successful. That way parents have to keep some patience with the child.
So the conclusion is that you have to be motivated and you have to think that you are doing the great job, and you have to think that whether it is for you or not, whether you should go for a job or a startup.
So that is the passion of the student. but we have to inculcate, we have to develop those entrepreneurial skills in our students and in our children from the parents' point of view. For that, I am saying that we should conduct some workshops for them and expose them to the leading entrepreneurs of today, the startups, so that they may have the feel of entrepreneurship. That in case they come out with some very, very creative idea, so what they can achieve in their life.
Last question. Ma'am, in this era of modern era, we have seen a sudden phase that has come out. People want to do a lot of startups, and they just want to do startups. They don't need to go for jobs. In IITs, there is recruitment is going higher to the startups. So what do you have to say about this? That is it because of the Make in India concept of Narendra Modi?
Yes, I feel that that is also working in the positive way. And all the young lot, they are having confidence in our system,
Yes.
in our leadership. And they are knowing that they will enjoy very good fruits in case they work with passion and they put their heart and soul into whatever they want in their future life. And whatever students are getting after, being in a job, that is not giving that much of satisfaction to them when they are comparing it with the young leaders of today in the business. And as entrepreneurs, the way they are achieving and they are satisfied today. So that is also creating benchmark for them.
As per the experience of many problems they face, the people they face problems are like when they do job for initial stages, when they do job for around 2-3 years, they get bored with the job, the same routine life, and then they then change to the startup. So do you think it is right to change into the startup field, going into a startup?
There is nothing wrong about it, because initially 2 or 3 years, when they are in a job, they learn such a lot from the job itself.
So according to you, doing the job at the initial stages for say 2-3 years, and after doing startup, give you more experience?
Yes. I feel that would give a lot of experience to the candidate.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Shut up and start. Shut up